Ever wondered why your tomato plants aren't producing those juicy, mouth-watering tomatoes? Maybe they're growing leaves like a jungle, but where are the fruits? Hold on. Don't reach for those pricey store fertilizers just yet. What if I told you you already have everything you need in your kitchen and backyard? Welcome to Makirakacha TV, where we turn everyday items into gardening gold. Stay tuned because these DIY tomato fertilizer hacks will blow your mind. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Makirakacha TV, and comment below. What's your go-to gardening hack? Let's share the knowledge. Bananas, great for smoothies, but did you know their peels are packed with potassium and phosphorus? Two nutrients tomatoes absolutely love. Here's how to make your own banana peel fertilizer in seconds. Chop up banana peels, soak them in a jar of water for 24 hours. Use the nutrient-rich water to water your tomatoes. Simple, right? But wait, what happens when we mix this with eggshells? Stick around to find out. Tomatoes need calcium to prevent blossom end rot, that nasty black spot at the bottom of your fruit. Lucky for us, eggshells are loaded with it. Here's how to make your own calcium bomb. Collect and dry eggshells, crush them into a fine powder. Sprinkle around the base of your plants or mix with banana peel tea for double the power. Let me guess, you love your morning coffee. But what if I told you that those used coffee grounds are a nitrogen goldmine for tomatoes? Yes, really. Dry your used coffee grounds, mix lightly into the soil or compost. Watch as your tomato plants explode with lush green growth. But wait, too much nitrogen can mean all leaves, no fruit. So what's the perfect balance? Stay with me, I'll reveal the ultimate mix in just a moment. Now, imagine combining all these hacks into the ultimate homemade fertilizer blend. Here's how you do it. Banana peel water for potassium and phosphorus, eggshell powder for calcium, and coffee grounds for a nitrogen boost. Blend these together, apply once a week, and get ready for tomato plants that will make your neighbors jealous. This works like magic. Still here? You deserve the final hack. This one's a game changer. Molasses. Yep, that sweet syrup feeds the beneficial microbes in your soil, creating the perfect environment for tomatoes to thrive. Mix 1 tablespoon of molasses in a liter of water. Water your plants once every 2 weeks. Watch them flourish. A little sweetness for sweeter tomatoes. And there you have it. 5 powerful, easy, and free tomato fertilizer hacks you can start using today. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a gardening trick from Makirakacha TV. See you in the next one. Happy planting!